Depression. The word itself has a lot of weightage. It makes a person paranoid. Have you ever felt that your life doesn't have a meaning? Nobody would care if you died? If you think that way, I'm scared that you are suffering from depression. Depression nowadays has become a serious issue as it has serious consequences. If not stopped, it may lead to suicides. Nowadays, a lot of people are considering suicide as an option. There is news about suicides every day.
So, what are the basic symptoms now for depression? Sometimes we just lose our control on our emotions. We sometimes shout on others. So, these are basic symptoms which we can see when a person is depressed. So, how can you come over them? The basic reasons why the depression comes to a person is because he brings a lot of expectations on himself. He cannot able to control what he is going through and cannot share with anybody. And aloneness and no company to share with are the basic reasons why a person goes through depression. When you are in a depression stage, the first and most important thing you have to focus on is that you must find a company, you must find a person to talk with, because being alone at that stage of life, at that stage of time, you should need a company. You should find a person who can understand you, who can solve your problem and try to resolve the problem as soon as possible, because running away from the problems never solves the issue.
How to deal with failure? Failure has been overrated since the beginning. Failure starts with the fact that we start expecting. If whatever we do does not carry the weightage of expectations, we will never be scared of failing.
Most of the people fall at some certain point of time in their life. It's not compulsory to win. But if success gives us glory, then failure definitely gives us a lesson.
Never ever feel you are low. Never ever feel you are alone. Try to communicate with each other. Try to have friends who are loyal and trustworthy. Try to make friends with them. Never ever open up yourself to the people who are not good. Try to be as close as possible, but when you are having some friends, you should be discussing with them. Understand? No doubt that you will be definitely going on a very good stage, but for that you need to have some control on your mental health, because physical health everybody can do. You can go for gyms and all, but for your mental health, all you got to do is to control your mind and your heart. Take decisions with your heart. Go with the flow. Never ever feel like you are low. Never ever feel you are completely low esteemed, and try to be the best of you.
Sky is the limit. Dare all the adventures, solve all the puzzles, fight for the struggle, and believe me, no one can stop you from being successful in your life.
Whenever you are doing something, try to give it 200 efforts. If it's not working out, try to improve in the next assignment, try to improve in the next test, try to improve in the next exam, or try to improve in the next work, whichever it is assigned for you. Try to improve your things, try to be in a very strong manner, try to be in a powerful position that you can do it and you have to do it, because you are the one who knows you better. Nobody knows better than you. So you have to carry yourself for the whole life.
Failure teaches us a lesson and gives us the opportunity to begin once again with more intelligence. Failing in something is good, it's acceptable, but when it becomes your habit, it's not.
Failure and success are two sides of the coin. Whatever happens, we need to pick ourselves and move on.
The greater pleasure in life will always be in doing what people say you cannot do. Life always gives you two choices, either to become a history maker or to become a history reader. And definitely everybody is capable and always want to be a history maker.